Hello and welcome to Lydia Isaac Healthy Lifestyle. So guys, today I'm going to be talking on a very serious topic. Okay, this topic is all about celery juice, guys. If you've not watched any video regarding celery, so guys, as I was saying, if you've not watched any video regarding celery juice, I'm going to drop a link of the video that I watched on the description of this video, so you go watch that video and read the comments through, guys. If you've not done this celery juice, I bet you are going to start making it to help your body. And I will also recommend you go on Google and do more research on this celery juice, guys. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be using my blender to make my celery juice, as I don't have a juicer. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to wash your celery very clean, chop them into little pieces, because you're going to be using your blender as you don't have a juicer, or if you have one you can use your juicer to make it. So you add a few of your celery into your blender so as it will be very easy for you to blend. You don't have to add a lot, just add a little for the start. So as you can see, I'm trying to put it on a very low so I can try to break my celery and blend the little one I have inside. As you can see, the more the celery is blending, the more water is coming from it. So the moment water keeps coming from it, you start adding more of your celery, so the water you already have inside will help the other celery to blend, as you're not supposed to add water to your celery. Okay guys, while I'm blending this celery, I'm going to give you some of the importance of celery I found on Google. Okay, it says that celery is the most powerful inflammatory compound that stop the enzymes that causes inflammation in our bodies. And it also says that celery detoxifies the liver. It helps digest our food more effectively throughout the day. It prevents cancer cell growth. It lowers blood pressure. It gives energy, and it clears acne and gives our skin that glow. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to use my nut bag to sieve my celery to get my juice from it. Okay, so one of the most important reasons that made me give this celery a try is that I have been battling with acne for more than 10 years, guys. More than 10 years, no joke. So when I found out all the comments people were giving about this celery juice, so I decided to give it a try to see if it really works. Okay, I'm making a video of my before acne, and I'm going to give this celery a try for like 15 days to see if it really works. Then I will make a video on it to show you guys. Okay, just try this celery juice, watch the video I'm going to drop on my description box, read through the comments, guys. I bet you are going to get yourself some celery and start making your juice. Okay, so guys, I got this nut bag from eBay. You can get yours from eBay. It's very cheap. It's less than £4 for this nut bag. Okay, and when having your celery juice, make sure you have it first thing in the morning on empty stomach, and give yourself like some 30 minutes to 1 hour gap before having your breakfast. Okay, so that's my celery juice, guys. I made it with my blender as I don't have a juicer. Okay, so please, if you love this video, if you love this celery juice recipe, please don't forget to hit the red button down there and subscribe to my channel, as I will keep you guys updated on my celery juice journey. Thank you very much.